Hi. So
Big
surprised? Are
yes,
you surprised?
very surprised, pleasantly
Right.
at that, but
Pleasantly.
very surprised. Uh, I must today though start on a positive note. I think compliments to the selection team. We've been criticizing them heavily, and I think they deservedly also.
Hmm.
But brilliant squad selection. I think though we should never have reached a stage where we should have been so happy on a selection or a non-selection of one player.
Correct.
Not have reached this far, but nonetheless, we've been overtly critical of the selection team and Gautam Gambhir. I think kudos to uh, realize that this was a massive mistake.
So एक पुरानी कहावत है ना, देर आए पर दुरुस्त आए.
Yes, I mean they're obviously telling or saying that वो उतना fit नहीं है. It
Yes.
didn't harm if they had just said it that he's been dropped
Yeah.
categorically.
No, in fact, Agarkar went ahead and said it's team combination. So Gill is being dropped because of combination, nothing else.
Yeah, some
Yes.
reports still said fitness, though.
So ठीक है, it's fair to just sweet coat it later by क्योंकि he's got the message nevertheless.
Yeah,
चाहे आप मीडिया में कुछ भी बोलो, उसको मैसेज मिल गया कि he has to get back into form, and I think I'm very happy that Ishan Kishan showed it in Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. His
and then
numbers
he
are
is back,
phenomenal, and he earned it back.
earned it
The
back.
reason why he was dropped and what he was told, which in his I think immaturity he assumed कि नहीं नहीं मैं तो आ ही जाऊंगा, I'll walk into वो मैसेज बहुत ही तगड़ा गया उसके दिमाग में
And
कि
to
नहीं.
get disciplined by Rahul Dravid
Yes.
and Rohit Sharma means आपने कुछ तो किया है. Otherwise,
Yes.
ये दोनों तो बहुत patient है.
Yeah.
Disciplined by them, and it's taken a really long time. See, your qualification criteria is IPL and SMAT, and 3 months of IPL and 1.5 months of SMAT is 4.5 months of cricket is good enough to confirm whether you're good or not. And he's been at it for a long time. Deserves to be there.
Yes, yes, and you know, and this time he's come back on the success of SMAT only because we all know last year's IPL, Kishan had a horrible outing, except for that one first match in which he blasted. After that, he did nothing throughout the
And it's a
series.
brave call because you're always tempted to get Rishabh Pant back.
Yes,
It's a brave call because that man is a mad genius, but you're always tempted. उसको भी ले ले क्या? उसको भी ले ले क्या?
that
Very
also
brave call.
shows that the selection committee is now giving up their obsession of playing every player, every format.
Yeah.
आप जो जिसके लिए सबसे बेस्ट है उसको वहीं पे रखो.
Yeah.
जरूरी नहीं है कि गिल हर कुछ खेले, पंत भी हर सारी सीरीज खेले, सारे फॉर्मेट्स खेले, जरूरी नहीं है. अगर
अरे
आपको लग रहा है.
ये वर्ल्ड कप है. You're the defending champions.
Yes, 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 yes.
That one mistake right at the top of the order could have cost you even a semi-final position. Forget winning the World Cup again.
Yes, yes.
और चूंकि आपका फॉल टेस्ट क्रिकेट में इतना ज्यादा रहा है लेटली, एटलीस्ट एक फॉर्मेट में तो आप टॉप पर हो. You are, and even one day, I mean, we're doing fairly well. Why rock the boat?
So even Rinku Singh is a good addition, I think. Finally,
Brilliant. We were
deserves to be there.
missing him. We were
Yes.
missing him.
Uska, Rinku Singh ka a lot of people don't talk about him. He's a great fielder also.
Yes, brilliant.
Very good outfielder. He catches. He never lets the ball go. So those kind of things also come into play, especially in T20s. जहाँ पे आपके पास time नहीं होता है.
No, you need fit people. अभी आज शुभमन गिल should replace Rohit as captain in ODI because he's young, fitter. और शुभमन गिल ने लास्ट 3 महीने में जितने मैचेस ड्रॉप किए ना बिकॉज ऑफ फिटनेस, उतने लास्ट 10 साल में भी नहीं छोड़ा रोहित शर्मा ने. अपीयरेंसेस और डिसेप्टिव का प्राइम एग्जांपल है ये.
Yes, yes, yes. And Rohit Sharma is still fit. We've seen his fielding and we've seen the way he throws his body around.
Yeah. Third ODI against South Africa. So I think brilliant. I think what a sensational start in the last T20 by Abhishek and Samson. That energy, that vibe. I close my eyes and I see Abhishek, Sanju, Tilak, Surya, Hardik, Rinku. 6. My God, what a 6.
I still have one. I know you will now, but I don't still believe that Harshit Rana belongs. But
I also don't believe.
I don't believe that he belongs to the side, especially because it's a World Cup. I don't think so. I think there are better options. They could have given a chance to, but some of the people have been ignored. And I mean, taking their names will just make this even worse for them.
I think what has happened here is that we've been so hammered by this Shubmal Gill fiasco, and now we are so happy because three deserving players in the form of Samson, Ishan, and Rinku have come in. That we've all of a sudden started feeling okay.
हाँ, उसके साथ में हर्षित भी आ गया.
But if I have to be overtly or extremely picky and critical, I don't see a role for Washington Sundar also. To be very honest with you,
I was just going to come to the next one. Yes.
When you have Akshar, when you have Kuldeep, and when you have Varun, I don't.
And when you have Akshar and you made him the vice captain, मतलब आप उसको drop तो नहीं करोगे?
Exactly.
For combination, for any reason, you can't drop him. या तो आप उसे vice captain कैसे बना दिया?
Yes.
Now, तो फिर सुंदर का जगह बनता ही नहीं है.
Because आप क्या करोगे? आप वरुण और सुंदर को लोगे, which is, and Kuldeep को नहीं लोगे, which is
बिठाओगे उसको.
Which is defeating the purpose.
Yeah.
And don't forget how Kuldeep performed in the last T20 World Cup. It was brilliant. So that to me, Washington is still a question mark. I don't think he's needed itself.
I think he's not needed, and Harshit Rana does not have the talent.
Rinku can also turn his arm over.
Yeah, he can.
So आपको Washington की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. And I think maybe just maybe instead of Harshit, they could have tried someone else. Now, possibly that would have been Mukesh Kumar. उसके अलावा मुझे कोई नजर नहीं आ रहा है, because जो पिटा है अपना प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा, there is no question of even experimenting with him. Anyway, I don't see any place for anyone other than Jasprit, Harshdeep, and Hardik. ये तीन के बाद कोई जगह ही नहीं. You need spinner.
दो स्पिनर चाहिए बस. Correct.
आपको चाहिए ही नहीं और कोई फास्ट बॉलर.
And for all the obsession we've had, even Shivam Dube has been bowling. वो उसको एक या 2 ओवर तो दे ही सकते हो आप. तो आपको जरूरत ही नहीं है दूसरा. हर्षित की जगह नहीं बनती है.
But I mean, if they get their selection right और हर्षित को हर मैच नहीं खिलाया, we are still safe. शुभमन को लेके आपको हर मैच खिलाना पड़ता. Correct. So what I do get to understand is also he's been informed very late, just minutes before the meeting or after the squad was selected. Now, much as we agree to disagree with the earlier selections, I still feel Shubman should again have been treated better. ये उसको पहले बता देना चाहिए. What you're doing is the only one format where he's in slight form is in Test match cricket. और वहाँ पे उसको confidence छोड़ोगे इस तरह से treat करके. Because when you're telling him, don't be under any misconception. हम टेस्ट में भी ऐसे कर सकते हैं तुम्हारे साथ. The communication is dramatically wrong. It has been wrong for the Test match careers of Virat and Rohit. It has been wrong the entire way they have been communicating or not communicating with Virat and Rohit for ODIs, and the same thing is happening here in T20.
But I am completely with you. But yesterday when I was listening to Sanju Samson talk in the post-match, later on he was chatting with Irfan Pathan of the and I felt कि he was sounding very confident and he was sounding very content with the way things were communicated to him, because it was pointedly asked to him कि आपको बताया गया था क्या. मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि टीम क्या चाह रही है, मुझे बताया जा रहा है, मैं constantly गोती भाई के साथ बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं constantly.
You think he has a choice?
So maybe
when Shami told the reporters कि मुझसे किसी ने बात नहीं करी है, मुझे को बात करेगा तो you saw what has happened to him.
Yeah.
You think anybody will have the guts to do anything now or say anything now?
It's maybe selective communication. कुछ players को बताया जा रहा है, कुछ को.
If you see Surya Kumar Yadav's story, Instagram story yesterday, Gautam Gambhir is again like a teacher saying something to the players, and he has written GG by heart. I mean, we know which school or which part of the Kotari Surya Kumar belongs to, which is the Hitman squad.
Correct.
उसको भी ये सब करना पड़ रहा है.
Yes.
So let's not. And I hope it was organic. I hope he didn't do it to gain any brownie points. Because वैसे भी वर्ल्ड कप के बाद वो खेलने वाला है नहीं. वो कुछ भी कर ले after the World Cup, even if he wins it, I don't see Surya playing further than that.
अगर वो जीत जाएगा ना, तो इंडिया ऐसा कंट्री है कि उसको भगवान बना ही देंगे, फिर नहीं छोड़ेगा. फिर तो कैसे निकालेंगे?
नहीं,
वो वर्ल्ड कप लेके आया.
रोहित को कहाँ बनाया भगवान? वो तो जीता था, चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी भी जीता था, उसको तो निकाल दिया कैप्टनसी से. So I don't see that happening. I genuinely don't see that happening.
Okay. We'll have to wait. We'll have to wait and see.
But coming to the squad, also to the bowlers. I mean, if we just spare some effort, some time on the bowlers, Jasprit, Arshdeep, Varun, 12 overs of these three T20 monsters. And add Hardik to it. I think we have rock solid 10 to 12 overs. Even if 2-3 overs go bad, हमारे पास 10 से 12 तगड़े ओवर निकलने वाले हैं. And I'm not even counting Akshar here. उसके भी
Yes.
नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट मैं तो खाली जसप्रीत, अर्शदीप, वरुण और हार्दिक के 16 में से मैं बोल रहा हूँ 10-12 रॉक सॉलिड ओवर्स निकलेंगे। और अगर कुलदीप को इन्होंने लिया और उसने अपना नेचुरल मैजिक चलाया जो वो चलाता है, then what we have on hand is something phenomenal.
So I agree with you, except for one point that we still have to make sure, and by then I would hope कि बुमराह का फॉर्म वापस आ जाए, because बीच-बीच में it has been
the last T20 है, I mean एक 235 के स्कोर में अगर कोई 2 for 17 लेता है 4 overs में, I mean it's like these are god-like figures.
no yeah, but I wouldn't call that comeback, because see he tends to, I don't know, थोड़ा सा consistency issue है, एक मैच में पिट जाता है, एक मैच में, 2 मैच में बिल्कुल
I'm a bit okay of him being under the radar for now, because come the big stage he should perform there. My grouse with him mostly has been that, barring the T20 World Cup which we won, where he was phenomenal on the big stage. Whether it was a ODI World Cup in 23 in the final.
नहीं, वो तो experience है, no doubt about it, he'll lift himself up. So
yes, I think it's good to see him go under the radar, because now earlier night was Rohit Bumrah. Now there are too many T20 stars. Varun Chakravarti is the number 1 T20 bowler by a distance. वो स्टार है तुम्हारे बॉलिंग का. Arshdeep is the fastest to reach 100 wickets. वो स्टार है तुम्हारा. हार्दिक is performing like a monster, an absolute monster. वो स्टार है तुम्हारे T20 का. अभिषेक शर्मा ब्रिलियंट, तिलक वर्मा ब्रिलियंट. सो इतने सुपरस्टार्स है ना, उसके बीच में बुमराह भी है.
yes.
And it's good that way I feel. It's unnecessary spotlight भी नहीं रहती इस पे. He can just go through his game normally. He doesn't have to do everything, which should not be the case also in a team game.
No, got it. I agree. I think on that note we should hope कि ये World Cup अभी हम लोग definitely उठा सकते हैं, बचा तो सकते हैं. We are defending.
Compete. I think the generation of yours and mine ने 5-6 साल की उम्र में 83 देखा है. जिसने 9-10 साल की उम्र में 87 का हार्ट ब्रेक देखा है सेमीफाइनल में. वर्ल्ड कप विच इंडिया वाज श्योर टू विन. इंग्लैंड ने ऑफ ऑल पीपल स्वीप करके हमको हरा दिया सेमीफाइनल में.
करेक्ट.
जिसने 92 में तो हम कुछ भी नहीं थे वो देखा है, और 96 का एक्सट्रीम हार्ट ब्रेक देखा है.
एक्सट्रीम हार्ट ब्रेक, फुल वायलेंट
हार्ट ब्रेक. मतलब जिसने 99 का फ्रस्ट्रेशन देखा, फिर 2003 का उससे भी बड़ा हार्ट ब्रेक देखा है.
बहुत बड़ा.
जिस दिन की थॉट हमने एक्सट्रीम हार्ट ब्रेक देख लिया 96 में, हम 2003 का हार्ट ब्रेक देखते हैं. फिर 2007 का डिजास्टर देखा है, और फिर फाइनली 2011 का रिपीट देखा है. एंड देन 15-19 के हार्ट ब्रेक्स अगेन. आई वुड कॉल देम हार्ट ब्रेक. बोथ इंडिया वाज फेनोमेनल.
Correct.
And then the all-time GOATest World Cup squad of an all-time GOATed cricket team of 23. There is no way in the world they can lose that. आज भी आंख बंद करके वही आता है. रोहित भाई 10 रन आ गए थे, वो शॉट की जरूरत नहीं थी. तो आई थिंक अपन ने इतने उतार चढ़ाव देख लिए हैं. बीच में T20 वर्ल्ड कप विक्ट्रीज भी देख लिए, तो बीच में 3 चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी विक्ट्रीज भी देख ली. आई थिंक इतना तो हम समझते हैं इस क्रिकेट फैनेटिक्स के. गारंटी कुछ नहीं है बॉस. ऑन योर
गारंटी तो नहीं दे सकते.
यू विल एंड अप लूजिंग इट एज लॉन्ग एज यू कम्पीट. और सेमी में तो आओगे, सेमी में नहीं आओगे तो डिजास्टर होगा. आई विल से दैट.
yes
दैट वोंट बी पैलेटेबल.
नहीं, आई थिंक सेमीज तक तो आ ही जाएंगे. देन like you said, everything is unpredictable.
No need to. You're strong. I mean, England, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, West Indies, both Sri Lanka and Afghanistan can also on their day. Pakistan को मैं अभी भी गिनती में नहीं लूँगा. So,
but see, West Indies can surprise you.
100%.
Australia always ends up, doing something. So New Zealand भी tough है. So, and you can't rule out England T20 में तो.
South Africa ने अच्छा खेला. Let's not forget that. 3-1 score line doesn't suggest how well they've played.
It doesn't. Oh, that's what I said, that वो fogged out match actually worked in our favor. So otherwise it would have been competitive. वो 2 कर लेते. So.
But overall, I think this is happiness. This is
happiness.
This is a good squad. I still miss Yashasvi here, but I understand कहाँ fit होना मुश्किल है फिलहाल. And I just feel Washington Sundar की जरूरत नहीं थी. But I mean, I'll leave that aside. Let's back this squad. Let's hope India wins this one again.
Yes. Cheers to that. Yes.
Cheers to that. And let's hope this time Ahmedabad will not break our heart.
Let's hope so.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yep.
See you in the next episode.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.